Hello and welcome back.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm absolutely hooked on the Milwaukee Packouts. I'm buying every option I can find. I can hardly wait till they come out with a drawer system. But they got, I call this probably the most expensive milk crate going. I don't know what I paid for it. It was below 50 bucks. And I had to wait for it because they're selling out like crazy. So this is the most expensive milk crate going. I love it because it fits into my Packout system, my Milwaukee Packout. I'm going crazy on the Packout. I just absolutely love it. I got wheels. I'm making little kits. You're going to see lots of videos coming up with what I'm doing with my Packout kit. I'm just buying up bits and pieces. But I love this milk crate, and I can just throw stuff in. But let me show you what I've done. So the most expensive milk cart going, but here's why I love it. This is the Packout that's for walls. You can put it on the base of your car, in your truck, on the wall inside. You can also put it on the floor. But I'm putting them on the wall in the. I just threw this together real quick to show it off. But I'm redesigning my shop, and got the little knobs, and it's all part of the Packout system. Boom, that's it. I can throw my junk. It's rated, if I get the studs, it's rated for 100 pounds. I'd probably only put 50 pounds. But again, love it. Got the Milwaukee Packout. I can just hang it there, and I'll show you what I do on my Packout kit itself. Here's my Packout, my Milwaukee Packout. Here's the most expensive milk carton in the world. This comes off and on. And let me show what I can do on top of this. I can take this. And let me show my tool. Okay. Oh, wrong side. As you can see, I love my Packout kit. I'm going to be showing videos coming up where I'm using this on the job site. I like this because I can just throw stuff in it, throw it on top of my Milwaukee Packout with the wheels, and go to the job site. I love it. It's expensive. It's quite heavy duty. They show them bouncing a bowling ball out of this thing, and it survives. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.